8 reasons to sell your Ethereum for Kaspa. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we are about to see lots of interesting things around Ethereum and Kaspa. You're gonna realize the big differences within a project like Kaspa and a project like Ethereum proof of stake project, and you're gonna clearly realize why Kaspa is better and why I believe that these predictions like 200 billion or even bigger than these predictions are very possible to happen by 2025, and why I believe that Kaspa can be above 1 trillion the next coming years, the 2030 and above. So on this video we're going to analyze all of these things, and obviously we're going to do our typical daily update, our typical daily technical analysis. I'm going to update you for the price, for the rank 2, for the hash rate, and also for the addresses. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you are going to see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel because daily I upload videos around Kaspa where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around the Kaspa. So it's gonna be very beneficial for you to have these news by first hand. So uh, don't forget to subscribe, and also guys, don't forget to check my Patreon because by joining into my Patreon you're gonna have access to my private Telegram community where you're gonna find me there and you can ask me whatever you would like 24/7, as many questions as you would like. I'm gonna be there for you to reply your concerns and your questions. And also we have got in that group multimillionaires, also lots of guys with very high experience in the crypto space, and recently we got some more crypto YouTubers. And also in that group you're gonna have access to my crypto portfolio where you're gonna see, because I have been investor since 2016, so I have got some experience behind my back, and I will help you to prevent mistakes by watching how I handle my crypto portfolio. Also, you're about to see my buy signals, take profit signals, and sell signals in real time. So as an overall, if you're interested to build connections, to have fun, to upgrade your knowledge and make gains, this Patreon group is for you. And I have to tell you guys that the prices are going to be increased as the months goes, as more close to bull run we are. The price is going to be here untouchable, especially in the bull run. This price is going to be like 10x, 20x, even 50x more, because it's more fair for the early investors of this Patreon group. Okay, so at the peak of the bull run, the prices are going to be like the peak of the bull run. Okay, the price of the Patreon. So if you would like to benefit forever with these prices, I recommend you to join now. It's gonna save you money, and you're gonna have always a guy near to you to help you. Anyway, let's move into our typical update. We're gonna start with the price of Kaspa. We are standing at 0.039 cents, a slight higher than yesterday. The market cap right now remains at 800 million. It's still screaming accumulation, guys. And as I have told you, under 1 billion is cheap. Okay, it's a big steal. Under 5 cents, under 1 billion is an insane opportunity. It's like we have Black Friday and you are sleeping. I recommend you to do dollar cost average. Don't rely that much in the prices. Like, no matter if it's 0.033 cents or 0.039 cents, when the price of Kaspa will be $5, $10, $15, you won't even remember at what of these prices you bought. Okay, but if you lose a train and you're gonna see price of Kaspa like 2 billion, then you're gonna gain less gains. But definitely at 2 billion, to be real, it's gonna be still early, the Kaspa price. Okay, anyway, that's for the market cap, ranked 45. Guys, that's powerful. And as I wrote a tweet yesterday, which you should read, that's why I'm getting you straight to Twitter. Kaspa is ranked 47, right now 45, by market cap without the participation of many top tier exchanges. No Binance, no Coinbase, no Kraken, no Bitstamp, no Bitfinex, no Huobi, no Gemini, no Crypto.com, no OKX, no Bitrex. These exchanges are big exchanges, guys, okay? And I write you here, just imagine the market cap when all of these exchanges will list Kaspa, okay? I can tell you with a spoiler that I believe it's gonna be under top 20 very easy, okay? So uh, Kaspa is about to shock the world when it's gonna be listed in all these exchanges. And let's move straight into the technical side because you're gonna see Kaspa is moving exactly as I predicted. When we saw this insane PAM and we broke this significant downtrend resistance, I told you that right now the situation, the bearish situation, because we had this head and shoulder, and all the technical analysts were calling that Kaspa will get straight to 2 cents. And I was telling you, do not rely in technical analysis because yes, technical maybe seems bearish, but always fundamentals are better. So at this current head and shoulder, I was telling you that we have probabilities to pump because project like Kaspa relies more in fundamentals and any positive news because we had probabilities to listen any positive news anytime soon, and as it happened, it can pump the price and invalidate the bearish patterns, okay, as it happened. And we broke this significant resistance, and right now the situation is looking extremely bullish, and from the technical side is still bullish. I don't know why some people from technical side see that as bearish because we broke the downtrend resistance, and here we have a bull flag, okay. I told you that from the second day of this pump that maybe here we're gonna move sideways and we're gonna have a formation of a bull flag, and it seems that it's happening that way, okay. So again, with any positive news or with any buying pressure or with any pump of the Bitcoin, with any positive news in the Bitcoin price, Kaspa will break the resistance of this bull flag, and also it's going to break this significant resistance of the 0.042 cents where we got rejected here, and it's going to get straight into a higher level like 0.048 cents, maybe 5 cents, who knows. So let's see how it's going to happen. And as you know, my opinion, I don't actually care that much for the short term. I'm just buying Kaspa no matter what. So either if we're going to pump or either if we're going to dump, for me, in a short term, nothing changed because we are here investors for the long run. We are not short-term traders, and this is how I would like from you to handle the current situation. Because by being investor here in Kaspa and buying DCA without sell, I can guarantee you if you do that, and especially if Kaspa will be in the levels which I'm expecting, you're gonna build wealth by being trader. I don't know how good you are. 99% of the traders don't build wealth. So if you believe that you are in the 1%, go for it. It's up to you, okay? The decision at the end of the day, it's up to you. Anyway, let's move into the hash rate. Hash rate right now is starting a little bit above 19 petahash per second. Right now, just drop below. I believe we touched the 20 petahash per second. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong. I believe we touched that yesterday. So as you understand, more ASIC miners plugged in into the Kaspa network, and that's very, very positive. And also, guys, from the addresses, nothing changed since yesterday. A slight more sharks and a couple dolphins. Nothing changed at all. We saw a typical accumulation when we missed a couple fishes. I hope these fishes became dolphins and not actually sold Kaspa at these levels. So that's the situation of the top addresses, and as you can clearly see, nothing changed too in the top wallets. Okay, we didn't show any significant move. So guys, right now let's go straight into the topic of the video, which is really, really, really interesting, and that's the 8 reasons to sell Ethereum for Kaspa. And guys, before you actually comment your nonsense things around the Kaspa and Ethereum, I would like you to watch the video until the end, and afterwards think about all of these things, put it down, do your own research too, and then come and write a comment around Ethereum, if Ethereum is better than Kas or not. Okay, I say that for the Ethereum supporters, for the Ethereum close mind supporters, okay, the Ethereum maxis. Anyway, let's move on. So guys, reason number 1, Kaspa is decentralized exactly as decentralized as Bitcoin, due to the reason that they are using the same proof of work consensus mechanism. Kaspa has the same fundamental principles as Bitcoin, but because the innovative protocols, or otherwise steroids, as I call these protocols of Jonathan, Kaspa can scale and provide even more robust security than BTC because the block DAG. Okay, Ethereum from the other side migrated from proof of work to proof of stake. And here, guys, this was the ultimate mistake, okay, because it lost 100% the trust of the people who know how this blockchain world works, okay. And I know, don't write in the comment section that Kaspa is not a blockchain, it's a block DAG. I know that Kaspa is a block DAG, is not a blockchain, but before the Kaspa, we had a blockchain world. Okay, right now we have, after Kaspa, we have also a block DAG world. Okay, completely different approach. So let's continue, guys. Proof of stake is centralized because to contribute into the network, you need to be rich. Okay, to stake right now Ethereum and contribute into the network, you need to have 32 Ethereums. And I saw that Vitalik Buterin is about to raise that amount. Okay, like 50 something Ethereum, like that, if I don't do any mistake. And if you are rich and you contribute into the network by getting as many nodes as money you got, because it's not like one person has one node, okay? It's about one node per 32 Ethereum. So one guy can have lots of nodes, okay? And you can decide for the future of Ethereum. And as I write here, does this sound like something that you are very familiar with? And yes, you are correct. Our current existed global scam system, governments, banks, politics, etc. Ethereum is a project where the rich guys will manipulate a monetary system. It's like we have right now the government, okay? These guys, the banks, so all of these things are quite similar to that. Why you should actually trust a monetary system like this, Ethereum? No, we don't like that. Okay, we don't want that. Not only like, we don't also want that. Reason number two to sell your Ethereum for Kaspa. Ethereum is extremely expensive. When the congestion into the network happens, the fees can go up to $50 per transaction. It is not efficient to become a digital silver with those fees because it's not ideal for micropayments. The Kaspa fee at this moment is very low and the plan is to get even lower, and that's why it is ideal for micropayments. That's why we call Kaspa the digital silver, stateless money. So the ultra sound money here is Kaspa, not Ethereum. Okay, and I know some guys are gonna tell me that in the future Ethereum is gonna be better, but mark my words, guys. Kaspa will be even better than you can imagine. Okay, if Ethereum is gonna be better in the future, after hard forks, mark my words, you won't even be bold to compare Kaspa with Ethereum. So be patient, okay? The reason number three is that Kaspa is scalable on the mainnet, okay? Ethereum is scalable with the help of layer 2s. For a global adoption, there is no competition to compare scalability with a layer 2s vs scalability on mainnet. The winner is obvious here, and I hope you know for what winner I'm talking about, okay? And region number four, Kaspa is 14 times faster than Ethereum. Kaspa block creation at this moment is 1 block per 1 second. Astonishing. Okay, something that no one could imagine ever. Bitcoin has 1 block per 10 minutes. So imagine how scalable is Kaspa with that block creation. Ethereum block creation at this moment is 1 block per 15 seconds. And guys, soon Kaspa block creation after the hard forks will be 32 blocks per 1 second. Per 1 second. Okay, per 1 second. Yeah, you can laugh here. It's gonna be ridiculous. No competition at all. And reason number five, Kaspa is the ultimate Fairlands project. No pre-allocation, no pre-mine coins, no venture capitalists behind. When it lands, everyone had the same opportunities to mine Kaspa and everyone had the accessibility to participate. Okay, Ethereum from the other side is not a Fairlands project. Ethereum had pre-allocation coins and ICO. And let's go into the Ethereum tokenomics to see that by yourself. Okay, the initial distribution of Ethereum is as follows: 83% allocated to Ethereum crowd sales. Okay, investors behind, insiders, all of these things. 16.6% is allocated to Ethereum Foundation, early contributors, and others. All the insiders included. And you can clearly see what are the founding grounds for Ethereum, valued at 18.3 million USD then, was raised in Ethereum crowd sale on July 2014, founded by public investors. 60 million Ethereum were sold at an average price of 0.31 cents. Do you realize what does this mean? It means that people, all of these Ethereums, can dump you anytime soon. Okay, obviously it had already dumped you. In reality, we have got guys that are manipulating right now Ethereum, especially when we merge from proof of work to proof of stake. These guys are playing with you. Okay, it's completely centralized Ethereum. It's completely centralized. 60 million Ethereum. That's crazy. They got it at 31 cents, guys. It's crazy. Ethereum right now has above $1,600, and in the peak of the bull run, maybe Ethereum will have $10,000 per Ethereum, and they got like 0.31 cents. Crazy things here. If that's not a scam, what's actually a scam? Okay. Anyway, let's move on into the sixth reason, into the reason number 6. If you can clearly see that only from the investment perspective and not as a contribution to humanity, I mean to contribute to have a fair monetary system, and see Kaspa and Ethereum like just investment, just to buy and take your profits and put it in your bank or whatever. Okay, if you don't want to contribute into the Kaspa, I mean, uh, still it's a very good to sell Ethereum for Kaspa, because Kaspa will outperform Ethereum in the bull run. Ethereum will do the lowest 2x. Okay, the worst case scenario for Ethereum is 2x from now, and the 10x is something that I don't believe is going to happen. I believe maximum Ethereum can get up to 1 trillion, 1 trillion and 2, 1 trillion and 5, something like that. Okay, 1.5 trillion is maybe the bullish case scenario. 10x, I say that like because it was more circle number. I don't believe it can get up to 2 trillion. Okay, from the current price. And Kaspa has minimum 50x. I wrote here a number because I put there a random number, 2 digits random number, because I believe the minimum is 100x, but I would like to be more conservative in that comparison. I don't want actually this comparison to looks funny. Okay, so the most bullish case scenario for Kaspa is 500x from the current price. My conservative price prediction is approximately 200 billion, 250 billion, something around there. I believe is a very conservative prediction. 100 billion is my bearish prediction, and I believe that Kaspa can go even far above 300 billion under certain circumstances. Okay, I believe that we can get even higher than 300 billion under circumstances, a bullish scenario. Okay, not conservative, a bullish scenario. Reason number 7, Kaspa will never be sued by the SEC. Kaspa will never have any issue like that because it's a commodity. Okay, history says that. Ethereum is vulnerable anytime soon to be sued by the SEC because of the background history, no matter if already the SEC said that maybe it is a commodity. Maybe they have a door open to enter into the crypto space and manipulate the things as they usually do through Ethereum. That's why maybe they call that that Ethereum is not a security, but they say maybe. Okay, don't actually take the SEC seriously because they can switch their opinion very fast, and they're doing these lawsuits because the ICOs and all of these things. Okay, the proof of stake scams and also the pre-allocation coins and all of these scammy things that's happening behind the scenes and behind the lands. And at the end of the day, it's still vulnerable to be sued and to be called as a security. Okay. Let's move into the last reason. Kaspa smart contracts are in the second phase after the important hard forks, after the important implementation of the hard forks, Dark Knight and Rustline. And at this time, guys, Kaspa will completely destroy Ethereum. It's going to be the funeral of Ethereum at this point, because now only in smart contracts Ethereum excels. Okay, and many people, when they hear that Kaspa is better than Ethereum, they say, yeah, but Ethereum has smart contracts. But in the second phase of Kaspa, Ethereum will have smart contracts, but Kaspa will have smart contracts, and it's going to be even better than Ethereum. Okay. But as I write here, not so long, because in the phase 2, Kaspa will implement smart contracts, so rest in peace Ethereum at that point. And a bonus tip reason, Kaspa cited in Ethereum white paper 2013 because the team of Ethereum used the first protocol of Jonathan Sobolinski, the Ghost protocol, in a modified version of Ethereum. Jonathan is a main contributor into the crypto space. Thanks to him, okay guys, Jonathan is the most respected guy in the crypto space. He's a very big contributor because these protocols that he invented not only help him to build the Kaspa, but also help other projects to rely on those protocols and actually build their projects. Okay, so big thanks to him. And that's the video, guys. Thank you, Crypto Chris. So that's what I would like to tell you. That's my 8 reasons plus a bonus to sell Ethereum for Kaspa before the train goes. And also, guys, I would like to tell you, because lots of people ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa. And guys, immediately take off your Kaspa from the exchanges, because you can get rug pull easy. We have seen that in the past hundreds of times. Don't actually keep your crypto holdings into exchanges, because these exchanges are centralized and it can set off anytime soon. So my recommendation for a cold storage is Tagem wallet. I switch up from Ledger to Tagem. So I would like to say here, it's not a sponsored. Okay, I chose Tagem because I believe personally, as a Chris, that is better than the others. Just that. Okay. And also with discount code, I can save you some money. Crypto Chris is the code. You can have 10% off from your purchase of your cards. I recommend you the 3-pack cards, or by clicking here the link, you can get straight into the link and you won't have to write the Crypto Chris code to have the discount. So yes, guys, this is my recommendation to store your Kaspa, and I recommend you the cold storage over the web wallets, and because I have explained the reason of that. You need to be experienced to have absolutely protection into how you use your web browser, because if you get into a fishy website or fishy Wi-Fi, okay, you can easily get a hack. Okay, so recommend you cold storage and you're gonna be safe. Follow me also on Twitter, and guys, I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment. It means a lot to me. And until my next video, guys, your boy Chris out. Bye.